Justice Katwa Kigen has dismissed concerns that he would be biased if appointed to the Supreme Court of Kenya. This follows apprehension raised by a section of Kenyans over his previous role as a lawyer for President William Ruto. Kigen defended himself, saying he will carry out duties as Supreme Court judge without favor to his past clients, including the president. And TV's Victor Ngaruya now reports on day one of the Supreme Court judges' interviews.
On Tuesday, at the Milimani Law Courts, candidates seeking appointment to the Supreme Court appeared before a panel of the Judicial Service Commission, chaired by Chief Justice Martha Koome. The interview process aimed at assessing the suitability or otherwise of candidates focuses on accountability, integrity, and efficiency in the administration of justice. Among those interviewed was Justice Katwa Kigen, currently serving at the Court of Appeal. He has been at his current posting for just 3 months.
Thank you, CJ.
Responding to concerns over his ambition coming after the short duration of time in service at the Court of Appeal, Kigen maintained that the process is not about promotion.
Chair and commissioners, I'm here very humbly seeking that I be evaluated on my competence to be appointed. And the fact that I may have recently been before you should not be a factor, because I'm not here for a promotion.
His past role as legal counsel to President William Ruto, including representation at the International Criminal Court in relation to the 2007-2008 post-election violence, as well as in the 2022 presidential petition, formed the central line of questioning during the interview.
To distinguish me just because of one client, a criteria that has not been applied to other candidates who applied to be judges, would probably not be quite fair.
Kigen also addressed potential electoral disputes, stating that democratic rights must be upheld, including the right of a petitioner or interested party in an election case to participate in subsequent elections in accordance with the Constitution. Another candidate, former chairperson of the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, Anne Makori, defended her record, describing herself as a principled leader, citing her experience at IPOA.
How are you going to bring that experience to bear to the nature of the cases that fall within the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? Even though I've not handled a presidential petition, I've worked within communities. I serve in communities in other organizations.
Closing the day's interviews was High Court Judge Joseph Sergon, who told the panel he brings over 32 years of progressive legal and judicial experience.
If given a chance to serve, the honor to serve, I will do it with diligence.
Other shortlisted candidates, including Justices Francis Toyot and Mohammed Warsame, are expected to appear before the Commission on Wednesday.
I think this brings us to the end.
Victor Ngaruya, NTV.